Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Studies. So today also we are studying science, biology, nutrition in animals. We are continuing with the chapter. So let's continue with mouth. Digestive system begin in the mouth, also called as buccal cavity, where the food is broken down with the help of saliva, tongue and teeth. So the digestion is starting from the mouth, and this is also called as buccal cavity. And it is what do the mouth break down the food with the help of saliva, tongue and teeth. Teeth. In humans, there are four different types of teeth, which is incisors, canine, and premolars, molars. The digestion begins in the mouth, also called the buccal cavity, where food is broken down with the help of saliva, the tongue, and the teeth. This is the same paragraph as we read in the before slide. So, we were talking about the four different type of teeth, which is incisors, canine, premolars and molars. In incisor, four in each jaw. In upper jaw and lower jaw there is four incisors, and canine in two in each jaw, and premolars are four in each jaw, and molars are six in each jaw. So basically, for a human life, for children's first it will grow male teeth, and after 6 years it will be replaced by the permanent teeth, which is these four. So when it is male teeth, there won't be molars and premolars. Clear? So now let's move to the next one. The tongue is a muscular organ that can move in different directions. It helps mix food with saliva and turns the food while chewing. It also pushes the chewed food into the esophagus. The tongue has many small structures called taste buds. These are sensory organs that help detect different tastes such as sweet, salt, and sour. You know that you can flip your tongue in different directions. You can flip and you can roll, and also it helps to mix the food with saliva. So how do tongue helps in digestion? It helps to mix saliva with the food. It also push the food down into esophagus, which is also known as food pipe, which we are going to learn. In case of saliva, saliva is secreted by the organ called salivary glands. Okay, it is a gland inside the mouth, and what do it secrete? It secrete saliva which contain an enzyme called salivary amylase. Okay, it breaks down the starch into simpler sugar such as maltose and dextrin. Saliva also lubricate that food makes food slippery. Now let's move to esophagus. Alright, esophagus or food pipe. From the mouth, food passes into the next organ called the food pipe or esophagus. It acts as a passage that carries food from mouth to the stomach. No digestion of food takes place in the esophagus. Food is pushed down by the wave-like motion caused by the contraction and relaxation of esophageal muscle. This movement is called peristalsis and is observed throughout the alimentary canal. So, this is a most important topic, and you have to understand that the esophagus, I am saying the keywords. If you want, you can note down the keywords. So, the esophagus, there is no digestion taking place in esophagus, and it is also called as food pipe. Then why do we use esophagus? It acts as a passage to carry the food from mouth to stomach. Okay, it transport the food from mouth to stomach. Okay, do you think the food is going through gravity? Then you are absolutely wrong. It is going through the contraction and relaxation of esophageal muscle. You cannot say it is going through gravity. It is going through contraction and relaxation of esophageal muscle, and this movement is known as peristalsis. Okay, I have just highlighted it, peristalsis. Okay, it is important, it is very very important. I hope until now it is clear. Next is stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped thick-walled bag like oxygen and is the widest part of the alimentary canal. It stores food and helps in digestion by secreting gastric juice and muscular churning. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. These enzymes helps break down protein into simpler substances. The hydrochloric acid kills harmful bacteria that may enter the stomach with the food. The inner lining of the stomach, called mucosa, protect it from acidic effects of hydrochloric acid. The food is only partially digested in the stomach. Final and complete digestion take place in the small intestine. So the keywords are that the stomach is in a J shaped, so it is like a small bag where the food can be stored. Okay, and it helps in digestion by secreting gastric juices and muscular churning. The gastric juices are hydrochloric and enzymes. How do I help? Hydrochloric help by killing the bacteria come along with the food, and enzymes help to break down the protein into simpler substances. And the final and complete digestion of food is happening in the small intestine. So the food will store and it will partially digest and move on to small intestine. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope until now it is clear, and the next part will be uploaded soon. If you have any doubt, please leave it on the comment. I'll be replying to everyone's comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.